Okay, so what I am doing right now is I'm going to show you how to create your price sheet for your final project. So as you can see, we are on Google Sheets. I'm just going to click blank. Okay, and what I'm going to do once it loads is in column A, I'm going to type in item. In column B, I'm going to type in quantity, which I'm going to just abbreviate to QTY. In column C, I'm going to type in price. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to skip column D. I'm going to move over to column E and type place of purchase. Okay, so a couple of things is that on this price sheet that you're doing, where it says item, you're not going to type in chair or floor or comforter. Okay, you have to be very specific. So this column is not going to be big enough to fit your description. So what we have to do is we're just going to click in between, if you drag your arrow to the little line in between column A and column B, you're going to click it, and you're going to drag it over to the right. Let's just say this is big enough. Okay. Next, what I need you to do is click on the letter C for column C, and you're going to click on it so it's completely blue. You're going to press the $sign. And so now what's going to happen is that if I put in any price, like $50.99, say, press enter, it automatically puts a $sign in there for me, so I don't have to worry about that. I'm going to make this place of purchase a little bigger. Okay, so this is where this stuff comes into play. So first order of business, you need to find out what your hardwood flooring is going to be. So I'm just going to go on homedepot.com, for example. Okay, and we're going to do flooring and area rugs, and we're going to go to, well, let me show you first. So there's different types. Solid hardwood flooring, that's the type that you have to stain yourself, which it's going to be too expensive. You don't want to do that. Engineered hardwood is the one that's already stained for you. And then bamboo flooring, it's better for the environment, but it doesn't do well with wear and tear. So we're going to look up engineered hardwood flooring. And let's just say, for example, that I like, let's say I like this one. This is special buy. I love special buys. So now, as you can see, the hardwood floor it's sold as a case. Okay, so do you see that right here? One case covers 25.75 square feet. So the problem here is that if you have a kitchen, right, that's 300 square feet, you need to now do the math. But first order of business, let's do this. I'm going to copy this. Okay, I'm going to paste it in here. Now, I really don't like to do that. I don't suggest you do it. But, I mean, you're going to have to eventually. You're going to have to edit it anyway, so, do whatever. Now, this is the problem. So, let's say I need 300 square feet, okay, what I'm going to do to figure out my price is I have to now divide 300 by 25.75, and it comes to 11.65. So obviously, I can't buy 11.65 cases. I need to now round it up to 12 cases. So I'm going to come over here on my spreadsheet. I'm going to type in quantity 12, and my price we said was $51.24. Okay, so I'm going to press equals. So this is what's cool about Google Sheets. Before I continue, this is what's really cool is that it can do the math for you, and you don't have to rely on like typing it into a calculator. Because sometimes that, you guys know how it is. Sometimes you can mess up your math and decimals and whatever. So we're going to type in 51.24. I'm going to press times and then check this out. I'm going to click this box, press enter. There is the price of my floor. Okay. Then my place of purchase is going to be Home Depot. Okay. Now, this whole section is going to be filled with furniture and prices and things. Now, number one, I like to be pretty professional. So I personally want to make sure that I have everything in the middle. Maybe I want it in bold. No, I don't want it in bold. But I want to do this. I want to have all my borders so it looks like a legit table. All right, so that's that. That was simple enough. Now let me show you what's going to happen with all these prices and whatnot. Let's go to one of my favorite websites is jossinmaine.com. Okay, Joss & Main has really great furniture. you name it, they have it, and it's pretty decent prices. So I'm going to find, let's just say I like this one, okay? Patrice tufted side chair. Okay, I'm going to copy it, go back here. It's going to screw everything up, I know that already. So I'm going to bring that down. So let's just say I need 6 chairs for my kitchen table. Let's see, it's $219.95. So again, I'm going to press equals $219.95, multiply that, click the box, press enter. Those are my chairs. And I'm going to type in Joss and Maine. So what's really cool about this now, okay, say I fill this up with all sorts of furniture and whatever. What I now need to do is I need to total up my prices. So let's just say that I have like from here to here filled. Now, what you're putting in here is your hardwood floor, your chairs, your any type of accessories, any type of appliances. Windows, I'm not concerned about windows, so you can, skip that. But really anything that you think is going to help sell your client. Okay, so what I'm going to do once I get all my things on my list, I'm going to have a total section. Now this is really cool, watch this. If you click this button right here, it says sum. What you're going to do is click on the box, the first box that you have, and you're going to drag down so you have all these boxes. So say like I ended here. Okay, I'm going to click it, drag it down, press enter. This is where my total is right now. So then if I add in like, I don't know, let's say $350, and then I add in something's like $2,400. Do you see how this has now changed? It's consistently changing and updating, which is fantastic. Okay, so what you're going to do then is you're going to print it out. You're going to put it on the back of your poster board, and you're all set. Okay, so if you guys have any more questions about this video, how to work it for your project, please make sure you email me, send me a message, whatever, so I can help you out. All right, have a great weekend.